What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing another guided meditation, but today we're going to be focusing on practicing gratitude. I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite way to practice gratitude through meditation. So, when you're ready, find somewhere nice and quiet where you won't be disturbed, and get in a comfortable seated position, either on the floor like I am, or you can be seated in a chair. The most important thing is that you're comfortable. When you're ready, start by taking 3 cleansing breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Take a nice, deep, long inhale. In through the nose. And a long exhale out through the mouth. One more. You can gently close the eyes. Completely relax the body. Allow yourself to be here right now with nothing to do, just in this moment. Put aside this time for yourself. Give yourself the space you need to relax and be here, be present. We're gonna begin scanning down through the body, stand at the top of the head, all the way down to the toes. As you scan down through the body, notice how you're feeling. Notice any sensations inside of you. Connect to your body, connect to your spirit. Don't judge, simply observe how you're feeling. Let go of any tension you're holding on to. As you relax your body, notice yourself feeling lighter, calmer. Connect to the stillness inside of you. Allow yourself to feel supported on the ground or the chair you're sitting on. Notice the weight of your body pressing down into the ground or on the chair. Be grateful for your body. Your body does so much on its own. When you finish scanning down through the body, just sit here for a few moments with this feeling of stillness and peace. Notice the different sounds around you. Just let them come and go. As well as noticing the different sounds, notice silence. This is how we silence the mind, that inner chatter that often distracts us and causes us pain. We're now going to bring our attention to our breath. Notice each inhale and exhale. Notice the feeling of the body rising and falling as you inhale and exhale. If it helps, you can place one arm on your stomach. Be thankful for your breath. It's what's keeping you alive. Breathe in gratitude and breathe out any energy that doesn't serve you. Repeat to yourself, I breathe in gratitude and I exhale any energy that doesn't serve me. Repeat this mantra to yourself as you continue to be mindful of the inhale and exhale. Think of what you're grateful for. It can be people, family, friends, people you're close to, experiences you've had that bring you joy and put a smile on your face. It could be little things that you have that you can live without. How does it feel to be thankful? Try to memorize this feeling of gratitude. Where in your body do you feel it? How does it feel? Continue to breathe. Continue to be with this feeling of gratitude and peace. Each time the mind gets distracted by thoughts of the past or worry of the future or inner chatter, simply come back to the breath. Come back to this silent space of peace, relaxation, and appreciation for life. We're almost done. We're going to stay here for a few more moments before finishing this practice. Each time the mind wanders, which it will, come back to the breath and feeling of gratitude. Simply noticing when the mind wanders and coming back to the breath. We're now going to bring our attention back to the space around us. Come back to the feeling of the weight of the body pressing down into the ground, the sensations in the skin. Come back to where we are right now. In your own time, you can gently open your eyes again. You can stretch out the neck or the arms. Notice how you feel. Thank you for joining me in this practice today, practicing gratitude. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more. Peace.